Understanding, working tirelessly, unlocking English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Working tirelessly. It's a phrase that packs a lot of meaning and inspiration, and understanding it can add a powerful layer to your English communication. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Working tirelessly combines two words, working, which means performing tasks or duties, and tirelessly, which describes doing something without getting tired. When we put them together, the phrase describes a situation where someone is putting in a lot of effort without showing signs of fatigue or a desire to stop. It's often used to admire someone's dedication or commitment to a task, project, or cause. This phrase is more than just about physical or mental stamina, it's about the spirit of persistence. When someone is said to be working tirelessly, it implies a level of dedication that goes beyond the ordinary. It's about continuing to work hard, even when the going gets tough, showing resilience and a strong will to achieve a goal or make a difference. You can use working tirelessly in various contexts to express admiration, gratitude, or to motivate. Here are some examples. In professional settings, our team has been working tirelessly to meet the deadline. In social and charitable contexts, volunteers have been working tirelessly to help those affected by the disaster. In personal growth, she has been working tirelessly on improving her English skills. While working tirelessly is a positive phrase, it's important to use it appropriately. Overusing it can dilute its impact, and it's crucial to recognize the real efforts behind the actions being described. Additionally, this phrase reflects a value deeply embedded in many cultures, the importance of hard work and perseverance. Understanding and using the phrase, working tirelessly, can add depth and nuance to your English. It's a way to recognize and articulate the admirable qualities of diligence and persistence. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you and that you feel inspired to incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Keep working tirelessly on your English, and see the difference it makes in your communication. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.